Google Slideshow can be a great and interactive way for students to easily access PowerPoints, lectures, and other media. Google Slides can be embedded directly into your course or linked, and changes made within your Google Slides will automatically update in BlazeVIEW. First, let's take a look at providing students with a Google Slides link. Open your Google Slides presentation. Select File, and then Publish to the web. Under the linking option, you can make choices concerning slideshow start and stop, replays, and the length of auto-advancing slides. Once you have made your selections, copy and paste the link into your BlazeVIEW. Remember, you will need to post your link so that it opens externally. Now let's take a look at embedding a Google Slides presentation. We will follow the same steps as before. Select File, then Publish to the web. Choose Embed. Select your slide size. We suggest choosing the small slide size. You can manually adjust the dimensions once you've embedded the slides in your course. Select the Auto Advancing Timing. This can also be adjusted once embedded into your course. Decide if you want the slideshow to start when the page is loaded, or if you want the slideshow to restart after the last slide. Copy this HTML code. In your BlazeVIEW, HTML codes can be posted anywhere you see the embed code symbol. Let's take a look at embedding this Google Slides presentation into a module. Click Add a Description. Then select the embed code symbol and paste your code into this box. Choose Save and Update. You may find it helpful to embed slides into announcements or assignments as well. Finally, let's review the process of changing the timing for auto-advancing slides and adjusting the slideshow size. In the HTML code, locate the false ampersand delay ms equals. You can increase this time by adding additional zeros. To adjust the size, find the width and height dimensions. Adjust those. Always save and update when you have adjusted the code.